I think that the people that work here at Highland Ventures love working at a family business because it's just a little bit different.
If someone is looking for an opportunity and they're looking for a company that rewards you based on performance, Highland Ventures is that place for you.
There is no place to be comfortable. We continue to try to grow more than what we are today, so every day is an adventure.
I started as a part-time employee in Champaign, Illinois, working 15 or 20 hours a week. As we started growing more stores on the video side, they had asked me to come and pursue a management career with them, which I accepted.
We look at what someone can bring to our company and we give you the opportunity that you deserve.
We have all these different companies that if you come in and you work hard and you prove that you're somebody who's able to take on that next challenge, and you're going to have a place in our company.
After college and I graduated, I went away and had another job opportunity, and I got a call from my district manager saying that there was a marketing position open at home office and thought I was a great fit, and a day later I got hired.
They completely allow you as an employee, not just a manager, but as a simple sales associate employee, to have empowerment, and that simply means make the customer happy.
It's the people that often provide the greatest reward.
If you hire the right people, they'll never let you down.
People within our company enjoy mentoring. They truly want to see people succeed.
One of the things I think that I've always been able to sell is growth and opportunity, and we've been able to tell people that we'll find a position for them.
It was really exciting for me to see my family video experience come full circle. Not only was I a part-time employee, but now I had a chance to work in corporate office and really see what our team could do and build for our company.
I think if you're willing to grow with the company, we're going to have plenty of opportunity for you.
The one thing that I can get up in the morning and say, I'm going to attack the day with this team and we're going to conquer, we're going to win.
So if you want to be on the cusp of something that is new and different and growing and expanding, now's the time to do it. There's immense opportunities for growth.
And there have been times where I've asked myself, is this what I want to do? Can I see myself here forever? And after 20 years, I'm still here. And the reason is because I really do feel like this is a great company to work for. And that's why you'll have a successful career here.